Good morning, everybody. I'm the Racing Joker. I'm drinking me some Propel. I like Propel. I used to drink clear fruit a lot. After working up a sweat or dehydrating myself, I would drink a lot of clear fruit. Today's Friday, I think. Yeah, today's Friday. 4/8/24. Based on this date right here, that temp tag is expired. Is it just even worth pointing out at this point? It almost feels like seeing a temp tag that's not expired is out of the ordinary. When I see one that's not expired, I'm gonna have to break out the champagne and the confetti. Well, it's gonna have to be virgin champagne. I'm driving a car, but you get the idea. Idea. Oh God, is it too early at the crack of 8:30 in the morning? Good Lord. What the heck is this? Oh, the green works. Oh, jeez. Why have you got your lights on? Is that an oversize? I guess kind of. That just looked like a shipping container to me. Container. Do we have shipyards nearby? Come on. Eat my ass. No, I forgot to put on my ring today. I took it off while I was recording the news segment of the Ice Age because I kept tapping the desk with it and I didn't want it to come through in the audio. So it's still sitting on my desk. Oh, this light is like molassesly slow. Can't stretch. It's hard to stretch in work clothes because then you have to retuck your damn shirt. This is weird. The lids of those things are just open from what I could tell. Are you exiting? What? Dang, dude. Watch your damn wheels. You're just letting your trailer travel into the other lane? You need to be checking your You need to be checking your wheels to see where your tandems are, or whatever you call them on trailers like that. Jesus. The TLX looks cool. I feel like the new Integra should have just looked more like the TLX. The front of the new Integra looks nice, but the back end of the TLX looks nicer. Am I the only one that thinks that? I think the TLX looks really nice. I'm following this guy too closely. I don't think exit only is actually correct there. Nah. Woo! Kind of flip-flop on that a little bit. Okay, it's closed today. Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys in just a few hours. Okay, I'm back. We're in the car, we're driving. I like how I got a customer right as I was leaving the building. So I just left them a voicemail. I didn't want to make them wait too long. And when I get to the waiting room, if I have time, I'm gonna put together a little video for the customer, talking about the car, what some of the things they have. They're looking at a 2022 Altima 2.5 SR. And a couple neat things about it is that it has intelligent lane intervention, which I believe it should be an option on these cars. I just saw a whole bunch of cars going that way with green flashing lights. It was like a convoy. I don't know what it was, but I was curious. I didn't catch it on camera, sorry, but you know, it is what it is. I was just in a bit of a hurry to leave. Kind of figures my first customer that I get, it's gonna get fed to me as I'm leaving the building. That's a shame. Jeez. You really have to be moving to get the automatic gearbox to shift into 6th. It doesn't really want to be below 3,000 RPM, does it? There's so much freaking debris on the road. I still have everything on me. I just did like a double check, like, wait, did I lose something? I'm hearing jingling. What am I? That's weird. Jeez. There's freaking debris everywhere today. I know my exit. I don't need the GPS to tell me anything. I'm just the best. Hoonigan. Okay, I don't need to freeze myself. This thing's telling me that the lead might be duplicate. I don't know what that means. I'll have to double check when I get there. Hopefully I'm not talking to someone else's customer. I mean, everyone at the dealership knew I had to leave for a doctor's appointment. I just didn't want to miss another day of work. So hopefully me calling the customer almost right away is good enough for now. I'm going to generate an email for them, giving them the full rundown of the car, everything that's on it, its service history since it's used. See where we go from there. I don't really get a whole lot of information on my phone, so while I'm in the waiting room at the doctor's office, I'll probably use the my laptop so that I can get all the information I need as fast as possible. Thomas built buses. God, these roads always make my car feel like it's broken. I hope I remembered to clock out. Did I remember to clock out? No, I didn't. Son of a bitch. Ah, I'm so not used to having a job where clocking out is a thing. Well, that was dumb.